Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Helmuts and I'm the founder of HostMaria, and this is another StackCP dashboard tutorial, and a very specific one. So we have a user. I have had pleasure to knowing this user for a long time, and he just opened a support ticket with me asking, "Hey Helmut, what were the videos on changing PHP versions for the websites?" Quick explanation: changing. So if you wish to, and if you wish to use change the PHP settings of your website, and we are currently at hostmariademo.com, so you would have two things. You have change PHP version up here. This is where you would do this using the PHP version switcher. You can choose the current versions, PHP versions, and you would do it to the main website. But here comes but. This tool is only for changing the PHP versions for the primary domain, and if it is in the public HTML folder. Only in this case. In all the other cases, and we have different videos about that, you need to do this stuff manually. And now the follow-up question comes. I did send out an answer, a reminder, 2 videos to the user. His name is Jock. Hey Jock, if you are watching, thank you for the great question. And then Jock was asking, this should work if I'm changing the site from 7.4 to 8. How is it detailed? And that is a very good question. So let me roll in, show you the place. As PHP versions keep changing, old ones can be removed and the new ones can be added. I will show you the place where you will see all the PHP versions currently available at your StackCP dashboard. Okay, so first things first, let us go to File Manager. I will open it. I will open the File Manager, and let me make it smaller, and this one a bit larger. So we would go to Restore. That's from another tutorial, HD Access. So this is the main way how to change PHP versions. So public HTML was the main website, and v2 was the subdomain. We would go to, so for example, we want to change the subdomain. We would go to HD Access. We know here's the basic stuff. And if we put stuff like this, so this is the only active line in the first four lines. This is being commented out. So 7.4 is great. Okay, now we are setting up version 7.4, and it comes together 7.4 for the subdomain. But what else can I do? And so the user Jock wants to switch over from 7.4 to 8.0. So that is where. So what we go now? So we are now in the StackCP's dashboard main website. Now we need to go to Scheduler Tasks. This section under Web Tools, Scheduler Tasks. For cPanel users, these are cron jobs. So Scheduler Tasks, and now here, before in the earlier versions of StackCP dashboard, script interpreters were open. Now what you need to do is just click here. A pop-up will come up. So a pop-up come up, and now you can see. So available PHP versions are starting from 5.3, and then the interpretation is 53, and up to 8.3. So it means if we wish to upgrade this PHP version to 8.3, so then we would go 8.3. And just for ourselves, 83. It doesn't matter. This is the main line. Save, and this is where you find the currently available PHP versions. That's it. Thank you for the watching, and this was another short tutorial by me, Helmuts. And if you have any questions or requests for any tutorial videos, just open a support ticket. This year 2025, I will be continuing producing more and more content on StackCP dashboard. StackCP dashboard, of course, is provided by 20i. We, HostMaria, are one of the most established and hopefully one of the most reputable 20i resellers. We resell 20i cloud, shared cloud, the UK cloud only. We don't get involved with US offering. And if you have any questions, I'm always happy to answer your questions. Thank you and have a great day.